Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to delete a server on Discord on your PC. So let's get started. So here we are. Then first let's create a server right here to use as an example. So I'll be creating my own, and then from here I'll just go create right there. And now we have the server. So in order for us to do this server is very simple. All we have to do is click here on the server name right here at the top left of our screen. And then from here, you want to go into server settings right there. And then once you are here, you want to go and scroll all the way down. And then from here, you can see delete server. And you want to click on it. And then click on delete server. It's as simple as that. And for that, you would need to enter the auth code right here on your account so that Discord can confirm that you are the one that is using your account or deleting the server right here. So it might be sent into your phone, or you have the code right here when you set up your security for your Discord account. So that is basically it for this video.